Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the front and the rear blower motor fan. Guys, we're talking on Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation right here. If you have problems with the blower motor fan not working correctly, guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be really simple fix. And after that, also we'll talk how to test blower motor fan, and if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well, while we do that to save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The front and rear blower motor fan fuses relays, guys, come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Depending on your year model of your Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation, you may have up to 2 different types of fuse boxes. We'll talk about both today. Make sure to stay until the end. Either way, first we need to open the hood on that Jeep Grand Cherokee facing the engine on the left side. We have the main engine fuse box. Open the cover. Underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here for year 2014 to year 2022 year model. This is 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here, guys, let's start with 2011 to 2013 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, we need to check 3 fuses. Specifically, we're talking about J13, it's one of them. J13, you need to check fuse M27 right here, and you need to locate fuse number M34 right there. Now, if you have 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, you will need to locate fuse number F13, guys. Okay, F13 will be this fuse right here. That's the main fuse, and you may have a secondary one that's known as F37. Okay, if you have the rear blower motor option, you have that fuse right here. Now, unfortunately, you don't have relay. Those are known as relay fuses. The relay function, most likely, it's controlled by the BCM body control module. So if you still have problems with the blower motor fan, check fuses for BCM module. We have the video on the channel, and also test your blower motor fan and blower motor fan resistor. Don't buy a fan until you test the blower motor fan resistors, because quite often it could be a bad blower motor fan resistor causing the blower motor fan not to work on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.